What's up, YouTube? What's going on? It's your boy Jay Handy, and today we're going to be installing a rain station. That's right, so stick around. So here we go. Before we get into some big work, there's a cap on the lid that must be removed. Very simple, not a big deal. It's got some clips on the side. You just push it in and pop it right out. Now we'll take the grate that comes with it. We're going to flip the lid upside down and actually use the lid as a planter. So we'll get to that later. Also, here we go. There's like a rubber little washer that goes inside. It's like a sleeve almost, and it's threaded on the inside for the cap on the bottom, a drain plug, and for the spigot. So you just twist those in, hand tighten it as you twist it in. Obviously it's rubber, so it'll be waterproof, watertight. You don't have to worry about water seeping out. So these are just a few things before you actually get into using any kind of power tools that you'll need to do to set up your new rainwater tub. So we're going to fit that in. Put the nut over the top. And we're going to lock this bad boy in. So there's two different sizes. One for the gutter and one for the tub. And it's already pre-marked, so you got a nice dent so it won't be slipping all over the place. And if anyone's asking, or cares or wants to know, this is not a XR. It's just a regular DeWalt drill. This is a DC D771. This should do the job. We put it right in. Beautiful. Perfect. Little plastic hole. The hole that we made. So now we take our rubber grommet, rubber washer, whatever you want to call it. Put that bad boy in there, just like so. This is our fill tube. This end goes in here. So now this bad boy here is actually going to go into the gutter. So I'm gonna have to drill a hole in the gutter next. Okay, so before we drill into, I just have to make sure this is higher than the barrel. So I'm gonna mark it right there in the middle. And obviously that's the center because you got the ridges here. So in between the ridges, pretty simple to find the middle of that. We now change our first bit to the bigger bit. It's all chucked up, ready to go. There we go. So that's why I brought my second battery. Nobody should be really messing with it, but just in case. It's a courtesy to the next person. Alright. So if you notice, the rainwater is going to collect in here, catch in here, and then drain into the hose and into our tub. But there is a pass-through. I believe once it gets full, the water will stop flowing in here and just go down in this hole. I guess that's the way it's designed, so at least I hope it is. Let's see. Yep, so far looks like the instructions. All right, did that. Let's see. Oh, there we go. All right, did that. Facing up, gotta get the 2 screws in. All right, yeah, we're on track, baby. Looks like we're doing it right. And I guess in the winter time, it comes with a plug. So in the winter time, I can disconnect the barrel, not worry about water, and put the tub away, and then I have a plug. So it comes with a plug. So here we go. I'm assuming this is all stainless steel. Oh, self-tap, nice. That'll work just fine, as long as you remember that when you make the hole in the gutter, that it is higher so the water drains down and in. So you can flip the top upside down and actually use it as a planter. And as I showed you at first, see that little grate there? So that grate is there. We will put a piece of fabric so the dirt doesn't clog this up. And then I'm gonna take the extra 2 screws and just put a couple in the side here. All right, guys, so that's it. That's my project for today. Get some rainwater for the plants in the house and the plants outside, getting ready for a nice little harvest. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope I was able to help you out. And don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and most importantly, leave a comment. I really want to know what you guys think. All right, everybody, this is your boy, Jay Handy, saying thank you for watching the Jehu channel, and peace, joy, and health.